So this is Article 2 of the Constitution as it reads. Section 1. Membership of the Oglala Sioux Tribe shall be automatic when the person's name appears on the official roll of the Oglala Sioux Tribe of Pine Ridge Indian Reservation as of April 1st, 1935, or if the person's name appears on any correction made within 5 years after the adoption of the Constitution on January 1936. B, a child is born to any member of the Oglala Sioux Tribe. Section 2, the Tribal Council shall have authority to adopt laws covering future membership. So that is actually what is read from the actual Constitution for Article 2 for membership. An example of what something can look like if we do an amendment to this article for membership is something like, and I'll summarize maybe like what Section 1 can look like. It can read something like, all citizens of the Oglala Lakota Nation must be original enrollees or descendants of the original enrollees listed on the Dawes Commissioner rolls and or their descendants. Section 2 can read something like, there shall be an established Oglala Lakota Nation register to be kept by the register for the inclusion of any Oglala Lakota for citizenship purposes in the Oglala Lakota Nation who present the necessary evidence for eligibility. The council may empower the register to keep and maintain other vital records. So that's just an example of what a Section 2 can look like. And then an example of Section 3, registration as used in this article refers to the process of enrolling as citizens of the Oglala Lakota Nation and is not the same as registration for voting purposes. So this is just an example of making more description for the membership for Article 2. Because as you can see, right now the current article may need some more describing of what that membership in the article can look like. So that was Article 2. Now we'll be moving on to Article 3.